In this video, I'll show you how to fold a simple origami box with a lid. For this, you'll need 2 square sheets of origami paper. One sheet should be slightly larger than the other. First, fold the bottom edge to the top edge. Then open the sheet and fold the other 2 edges together. Next, fold 2 corners together. Open the sheet again and fold the other 2 corners together. Now fold all 4 corners to the center. Next, fold all 4 corners to the outermost opposite crease. Then fold all 4 corners to the nearest crease. Now fold 2 opposite corners to the center and fold the newly created edges to the middle line. Two sides of the box are now standing. Next, fold the corners of the box inward. The tip will fold itself upward. You can now fold this tip to the center. To reinforce the folds, you can place the box on its side and smooth it out. Do the same with the other tip. Fold the corners inward, the tip will come up on its own, and then fold the tip to the center. Finally, place the box on its side and reinforce the folds. The lid of the box is now complete. Using the second sheet, which is slightly smaller than the first, repeat the same steps.